Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, open up your settings. From here you can select General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then select Erase All Content and Settings. Now for me it will jump straight to just notifying me how much data I have on my phone, but in your case you will most likely get a pop-up to sign out of your iCloud. So if you're signed in right here, you see your account, you can just sign out of it right now before we even begin. This might just simplify the reset. So from here you can then, like I said, navigate back here, erase all content, and then continue, erase iPhone, and it will begin the process. Obviously, if it tells you to just confirm your password for your iCloud, do so and then proceed further with the reset. Now, once you begin resetting your device, it will go through this kind of thing for quite some time. It will probably take it like 5 minutes to finish it up, maybe a little bit less. And once it is, we should be presented with Android setup, not Android, what am I saying? With iOS setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, so you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.